All right. This is going to just give you a quick overview of how to get your fingerprints. That is part of the application process, and you can actually do this before um, you want to apply for your license. Because when you apply for your license, they're going to ask you for the retrieval code so they can get your digital fingerprints. So you got to get out ahead of this a little bit and do this some point, anytime now, really, because you're going to have to get it done anyway, and we're all going to assume that you're going to pass the exam. So you go to identigo.com, identigo.com, and click on Get Fingerprinted in Texas. And scroll down to digital fingerprinting. And you got to enter the Texas Department of Insurance code, which is right here, 11G6QF. 11G6QF. It is case sensitive too. If you try to put lowercase letters in there, you're not going anywhere. So it's a case sensitive 11G6QF. And then you want to schedule or manage an appointment, and you're on your way. You just go fill out the information that they're asking you for and go through the screens. It'll take you to a scheduling portal where you can find one of their locations that's convenient for you and schedule a time. And they are pretty picky. You have to show up at your scheduled time, not before and not after. They're pretty busy. Doesn't take very long. You just have to basically put your fingertips on a little scanner, and they scan your fingerprints. So it's not ink and paper anymore the way it used to be. So these are just quick, nice and clean digital fingerprints. And then they will give you a receipt. And on that receipt will be a retrieval code, because they're going to store your fingerprints so that when you apply for your license, and whoever gets your file, when they open your application, they have to go and get your fingerprints. So in the application, there's a place where you'll put the retrieval code for your fingerprints, and then everything will be fine. Your application should sail through with no problem. So make sure you get to an Identigo location and get your fingerprints done.